Yeah, hello guys. Good afternoon once again. How are you guys doing? Please, once you join us, let's know your name and where you're joining us from, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's know your name and where you are joining us from. Once you join us, invite your friends and family. Let them know we are ready and good to go. Let them know that we are ready and good to go. All right, so once you join, let's know your name and where you're joining us from, okay? Let's know your name and where you're joining us from. It's going to be an amazing time with you guys again. We started yesterday. I did some basic explanations about the Forex market yesterday, and I want to share the opportunity with you guys ASAP, okay? So if you know anybody that should be here that is not yet here, please let them know that we have started, okay? Let them know that we have started. All right. So we're starting in 3 minutes. We just exercise a little bit of patience. Let's get more people to join the session before we get talking, okay? Today we'll be going straight to the point. I'll be telling you how to dive into the opportunities that I talked about. If you know somebody that should be here, that is yet to be here, let them know that we are live and we have started, okay? So please share this link, share the video with as many people as possible, as many people that you know that are interested in trading the Forex market and probably have not gotten an opportunity to do so. Let them know that they have an opportunity now, okay? Let's talk about how to make passive cash in the Forex market. So, how many of you were here yesterday? If you were here yesterday, please let me know that you were here yesterday. Let me know that you were here yesterday, okay? If you were here yesterday, let me know you were here. If you were here yesterday, please let me know that you were here yesterday so I know the bulk of people and know where to start from, okay? Um, we'll be starting in 2 minutes, okay? At 4:13, 4:13 at 4:13, like exactly 4:13, we should start so that I'll quickly guide you guys on how to get started on the opportunities I mentioned to you guys yesterday. So we're ready to go. We are ready to go. We are ready to go. So I'm hoping that this session won't be more than 30 minutes. I just want to show you guys the opportunity and then we'll get on ASAP. All right. So if you know somebody that should be here that is yet to join, please let them know that we have started. Okay. Let them know that we have started. All right, so I can see you guys saying I was here, I was here, I was here. Okay, amazing, amazing. Good to know you guys from yesterday. So Xerox Media, shout out to you. Kingdom Materials, Nuhu from Jos, Raphael from Ogun State, Obina from Anambra State, Onyi, good to see you again. Obuna John from Abia State, Harrison from Port Harcourt, Talent from Abuja, Mutiu Mohammed from United Kingdom, um, Xerox Media, good to see you. Zoe Eternity Network, Alex Shakur, good to see you. Who else? Ibrahim Bulama, good to see you. Paul Moses, I was here. Okay, okay, good. So a good number of you were here yesterday. So I'll just do just a quick description of what we talked about yesterday, and then get started on the opportunity. Okay, so yesterday I did a very basic introduction about the forex market. I taught basic things you need to know about the forex market as a beginner in the forex market, especially if you're someone who wants to learn the forex market, but you probably don't have the time to learn. There's an opportunity for you, and that is what I want to share with you guys today. So I did just a basic overview about the market yesterday, and I was able to uh, explain the basics of trading, what it means to trade, what it means to trade currency pairs, how currency pairs are formed, how the forex market works, and then I went straight to describing the opportunities available for you. Okay, so let me run through that again, and then I will now start with how to get started ASAP. Okay, so these are the three basic avenues we have available for you who would love to learn forex trading, who want to make money from forex trading, because a lot of people hear the opportunities available in the forex market, but unfortunately, because of time constraints, they find it hard to learn, they find it hard to get started. So that's why we're doing this, to give you all the opportunities, to put it out for you so that you can be able to benefit from the opportunities. Okay, so number one opportunity is the MAM system, and I explained yesterday that the MAM system is simply a system that individual accounts and gives access to a professional trader to trade multiple accounts. And I explained it using a very, very simple analogy. Okay, I said, let's say there are three people who want to invest. We have Peter, we have Adeni, we have Samuel, and we have let's say OB. Okay, so we have these four people, they want to invest in the forex market, and each of them know one good trader. The trader's name is, let's say, FX Daddy. FX Daddy is the good trader that they know. Okay, so FX Daddy, because of time constraints, cannot trade four individual accounts. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. He can't trade four individual accounts. So there's now a system available that makes it possible for him to do that by trading a cumulative and aggregated sum of all their capital. So let's say this person has $500, this guy has $1,000, this guy has, let's say, $200, and this guy has $400. Okay, so when they all fund their individual accounts, they all fund. Peter funds his account with $500. Danny funds his own account with $100. Samuel funds his account with $200, and Obi funds his account with $400. So at the back end, what the system does, the MAM system will now become a system that aggregates all those funds together, so FX Daddy gets to trade only one singular account, which is a cumulative of all their money. So in this case, what FX Daddy will be trading is 500 plus 1,000 plus 200 plus 400, which is $2,100. Okay, so that's a simple analogy of the MAM system. That is how it works. Okay, and it's very clear. I was able to answer a few questions about this yesterday. So I also mentioned also how the profit is being shared is very simple, depending on what your capital is. So if, for instance, we make $500 profit at the end of every month, the $500 profit is split between these four people. Okay, so the person with the highest capital here, which is the person with $1,000, gets, let's say, $250 of this $500. The person with, let's say, the next highest capital, which is $500, which is Peter gets, let's say, $70. Okay, now the next person that has the highest capital, which is Obi gets, um let's say $60, something like that. Then the least person with the capital, which is $200, this person gets, let's say, $20. Okay, so at the end of the day, this whole thing will probably sum up to 500. Of course, this doesn't sum 500 though. This is just an example. Okay, so but that's how the MAM system works. So I hope we don't have any questions on this so far now. Okay, so straight up, we have opportunity for those of you who would want to join our MAM system. Now, I shared some results from the MAM system that we're currently managing with you guys yesterday. If you can remember, I shared with you, this is a MAM system. This is an asset we're managing for clients who've done 31% of this portfolio in a space of 8 months, thereabout 8 months. And I showed you guys that this was last year. We had 2.2% here, 2.83%. We did 3% on September, 4% in October, 2.8% in November. December we did 6.73%. In January we did 6.59% on this portfolio. On February we had a loss of minus 0.24%, which is quite insignificant. We are up 0.27. In fact, we are down. We started the month on a loss of minus 3 point something percent on this particular portfolio, but we've regained and we are back at 0.27%. So for those of you that saw this portfolio when I shared it during the Tradewave Trader Fest event, you would notice that this account was down minus 2 point something, and here we are back in profits. Okay, so it's amazing. It's really amazing, really amazing what you can actually gain being a part of our portfolio multi-asset management system. I also share this portfolio with you guys that we are managing also for a couple of clients. It's another portfolio. Let me refresh this. So this is another portfolio. In this particular portfolio, we've been managing it for 6 months, and we've done 15.61% so far on this particular portfolio, right? And as you can see, 2023, we started October, just a few days to the end of October. Then we did 4.9% on November 2023. Then in December, we had a loss of minus 2.84% on this portfolio. Then January, of course, we recovered as usual, 6.997. That's almost 7% in the month of January. That's crazy. Then 1.29% in February. In March, we are up 4.04% on this portfolio. Okay, so the MAM system is a really amazing system that would help you a lot to grow your income as somebody who is interested in Forex, but you do not have the time, right? So this particular system, the minimum entry might be heartbreaking to a few people, but it is what it is. So the minimum entry for the MAM system, minimum entry for joining our MAM system is a very cheap sum of $1,000. Okay, $1,000, and you are in on our MAM system. Now, the amazing thing about the MAM system is that unlike the other two systems that I will share with you, this is where you do the least work. All you need to do is just put the money. That is all. You don't need to do any copy. You don't need to make any adjustment. You don't need to do any, you don't need to install any board, nothing, nada. zitch, nothing. Okay, so it's really amazing. So all you need is just plug your money, it gets connected to our portfolio management system, and you will be up and running, make money with us smoothly without doing nothing at the end of every month, every week, as depending on how you want to withdraw, do your withdrawals and enjoy earning with us. So a minimum entry for this is $1,000. Okay, $1,000. Now, this is the contact for those of you who would want to take advantage of any of the opportunities I'll be mentioning to you here. Let me go ahead and give you the number to reach out to, so that you can please WhatsApp only, right? Please WhatsApp only. We can fix a call on this number if necessary. Okay, this is our office number. So send WhatsApp messages only. The person on the other side of the of this would actually respond to you. If there's a need to schedule a call with him, he will respond to you. So this is the number to call. Reach out to this number if you want to be a part of our multi-asset management system. So let's help you to grow your money, bro. Let's help you to grow your money. Let's help you to make money. And I can say this comfortably. At least you have zero worries about capital. Of course, there are some legal agreements to sign before we jump into this anyway, so we might not put that on paper, but at least going by past result, it is almost an impossibility that your capital is in any form of risk. But however, like I said yesterday, this is Forex. There is always risk involved. The risk is not 0%. Okay, there's always some level of risk, but however, we've learned to manage the risk and put it to our favor, and it's almost impossible that you lose your capital. So go ahead, guys, reach out to this contact, and then let's do business, guys. Join the multi-asset management program. Let's make money smooth, easy peasy, easy to the peasy, to the cheesy, to the needy. You get all right. So let's move over to the second part of this, which is the automated trading program. So the automated trading program is another avenue that I explained to you guys yesterday that you can actually use to make money for yourself. All right. So the automated trading is simply a bot. Okay. That is what it is. Just a bot. You buy the robots and then install in your trading account. Now we've actually this is the literally the best EA. I've created a lot of EAs in the past. Like, trust me, I've done a lot of creation of EAs in the past, but this particular EA, this particular system is I would say this confidently, this is actually the most sophisticated system I've built in terms of automated trading, because you now have the opportunity to trade price action. Okay, our robot trades price action, pure price action. And what that means is that there is no fear, because most robots, a lot of people use out there, has a lot, high level of risk, either using martingale, grid trading, hedging systems, stuff like that, or even HFTs, which most of the time is not permissible in a lot of brokers. Okay, but we have something unique right now, which is price action. So that means that you can use this robot without fear on any system, including prop firms. Okay, it is pure price action, pure price action. So you don't need to be afraid that it will go below your, blow the account, or to go above your, what's it called, your daily, maximum drawdown limit and all of that. Okay, so no worries on that. We've handled all of that for you. So this robot is really amazing, and the reason why this robot is unique is the fact that unlike the robots we already have, which a lot of people have really been enjoying, making a lot of money from, this particular robot is you can use it on smaller accounts. Currently, the robots that we had before this one we're launching today, you would need a minimum of $1,000 as a startup capital, which is like 1.4, 1.5 million naira for those of you in Nigeria. So a lot of people who reached out to us were like, bro, we don't have up to $1,000. What do we do? And every single time we always like, go and hustle, go and look for money. But well, it has actually been, passion in my heart to, find something that the person with $100, person with $200 can actually use. And it has been, it has been a search of many years, and finally we are here. We're launching this for you guys. So this would be a cheaper robot. This is that robot where that I can comfortably say that this is me giving back to the society right now. Yeah, so the robot is quite cheap, and trust me. um Somebody's asking, can two or more people merge? I don't know what you mean. Merge for which of them? For the MAM program, or do you mean for the automated trading system? Which of them are you talking about? Okay, let me know how to answer your question. Okay, so that said, I've already explained. All you need to do for a robot is just to simply attach the robot to your trading account, and then the robot starts trading. Trades pure price action. You put in the stop, you put in the lot size that you want the robot to use, and then voila, you are good to go. So each robot has a license key. So once you make payment for the robot, I will tell you guys the price shortly. I know some of you can't wait to hear the price. How much is it? How much is it? Calm down. All right. So once you make payment for the robot, currently we have only 1 year licenses. So you have, once you pay for the robot, you can use it for 1 full year on any account size actually. And the amazing advantage it has, like I already mentioned, it doesn't involve any risky trading strategy that might blow up your account, especially for those using prop firm. So it's really amazing for those of you doing prop firms. Okay, can use it for prop firms, right? So that said, the minimum capital, bot, let me put bot. Okay, trading robot okay, minimum capital. So the minimum capital required for our trading bots. How many of you are feeling tension? How many of you are tensed now? If you're okay, I think you guys can't even see my screen. Sorry, guys. Let me share my screen again. Okay, good. So how many of you are tensed? I want to share the minimum capital required for the robot trading now. But I want to know if some people are tensed. Are you guys tensed? I know somebody's praying, God, let my $20 be enough. Somebody's saying, God, let my $10 be enough to start. so, so I like the tension in the comment section. Okay, so the minimum recommended capital, for starting up the trading robot is a whooping sum of $100. So calm down, calm down. Your money can afford it now. But so $100 is the minimum that you can actually use to start trading using our trading robot. Of course, you can actually start using much more less than $100, but we recommend $100 at least for proper risk management, because most of the time the bot doesn't use stop loss of more than, let's say, 30 pips, 40 pips. So if you're doing 30 pips, 40 pips on a $50 account, the minimum loss size is 0.01, and losing $4 out of $50, that's almost like 5%, right? Almost 5%, which it doesn't make any sense. Okay, so but if you're using $100, it's much more. It's like risking 2-3% thereabout per trade. So the robot's minimum capital recommended is $100, and then the price of the robot is uh trading robot price. Okay, so the price of the robots is a whooping sum of just $75. Okay, the robot is $75 and you have a 1 full year license. And this is really amazing because you can get to use this on your prop firms. You can get to use this on your prop firms and make some good cash for yourself. Okay. And then also for your personal accounts, even if you want to fund more than $100, this robot is actually going to do you good. Okay. So that's the robot, that's the price. So for those of you who are interested, do well to reach out to the same number. I already pasted a number for you guys. So reach out to the same number, WhatsApp only. Okay. You can fix a call when necessary. The guy on the other end of the call, which is will be a member of our team, will fix a call with you if necessary. But please only only WhatsApp messages for now, right? So that's the minimum, that's the price of the robot. So startup minimum package $175, which is about 220,000 naira thereabouts, and you are up and running with a full trading robot, 1 year license, and you're good to go. Okay. Somebody's asking how much is the broker. I've already mentioned how much is the board. Can robots use any broker? Yes, any broker of your choice in this world. You can use it. Man, you guys are answering a lot of questions. Whoa. How would the robot determine risk to reward? Is it based on account size? Yes, it is based on account size. Somebody's asking, can two people merge in terms of capital? It depends on the both of you. It depends on two of you. If two of you can come up with $1,000 and fund as one single person, funding the account, that's for the MAM system, then that's fine. You understand? So you can pair up with somebody and decide to do fund as one single account and join the MAM system. It's fine. So the profits being shared is shared between you and your friend or whoever you merge with. So that's fine. Is there work to be done on the bot daily? No, there's no work to be done. Plug the robot and then you're good to go. Plug the robot, put in the required lot size. It requires a VP. There's a manual to this, so please, like I said, chat the number on WhatsApp. Reach out to this number I sent to you guys. This is our official office number, so you guys should have it saved. Okay, have this number I just shared with you is our official office number, so have it saved on your contacts in case maybe we'll have to send a broadcast or something. You do not get to miss out on that. Okay, so once you have the number saved, send a message to this, so we can send you the document as regards the trading robots and the MAM program in particular. These two of them can send you there's a full brochure that explains the whole process, how it works, especially for those using the robot. If you've not used the robot before, you don't know what a VPS means, remote desktop, you don't know what it means to attach a trading robot, install a trading robot. Of course, reach out to us, let's give you the brochure, you can go through it and then you can make payments. Now please be reminded that this is launch price. I need to mention this too. This is launch price. $75 is launch price. That is not the price forever. And for those of you that have actually been in maybe following Tradewave for a while now, nothing goes down. Nothing goes down about our price, right? Whether it's a mentorship program, whether it's a trade, nothing goes down. Once the price, this is the least price it will ever be in this life and in the next. You understand? So it can never, there will never be a time, or maybe let's say maybe we're doing a discount, which we don't do a lot often. So this is a least price. So I would really advise that you can take advantage of this price as soon as you possibly can. But I can assure you, at least for the next, let's say 1 week, 2 weeks, this will actually be the price. So that gives you enough time to set up your stuff and get started. Okay. What else? I beg God, $15. Okay, this is you giving back to Tide. Bravo, thank you. Does this capital include the price of the bot and the VPS? No, it doesn't. It doesn't. Please, $100 is the minimum. Your capital is your money. We're not touching it. Is your capital for trading. Trading, the price for the robot itself alone is $75. You're paying for a 1 full year license, $75. Your screen is not showing. Okay, I've already fixed that. I'm so tensed now. I can feel it for you too. Explain the MAM minimum entry 1,000. I've already done that. Okay, the MAM minimum entry $1,000 means that this is the minimum you can use to join our portfolio management system, right? That's just, there's no other way to put it. So you're not paying for anything. You're not paying any extra fee. You're not paying any. You're not paying us to start trading, but of course, we're taking some part of the profit, which currently like 35% of the profit for the MAM. We're taking 35% of your as performance fee, so you get to keep 65% of the profit for yourself. That's good deal. You're not paying us anything, nothing else. Just give us performance fee as we're making profit. If we're not making profit, we're not charging anything. There's no management fees behind the scenes. I mean, there's nothing more amazing than this. There are other, account managers. A few I know, they charge management fees, and what management fees means is that whether they are making money or not, you're getting paid. Now we have a system. This particular system we are working, this particular portfolio that we have ongoing, has some management fees that are, which is like 1% of the profit. Okay, but however, we are not charging management fees of this one we're launching on this new broker. Okay, so please take note of that. For mom, Xness is not working in my location. Yeah, reach out to us on via WhatsApp on that number, and we'll actually help you out. That won't be a problem. We'll know what to do for you. Okay. No VPS hosting cost. That's part of the what you see on the manual. Is a robot that's going to choose the pairs? Yes, the robot uses the robot uses top-down analysis to check all the current. It scans all the currency pairs, and then takes trade on the ones sees a particular trend. Is a trend following robot. Okay. GNVP is please in 1 year 100. What is estimated profit for a year? The profit margin is between 2 to 5% monthly, so you can do the mathematics for yourself. Okay, profit margin between 2 to 5% for the trading robot. Okay. Will you please repeat the number one? I have missed it. I think you just need to rewatch the video again. Maybe you can just go back a little, just to watch the video. FX Daddy, please, how much is your training cost? Training cost 3 months, $75, which is 112,500 naira. Then we have 1 year training. 1 year training is currently $150. Very cheap. Our things are cheap, too cheap. $150, which is about 225,000 thereabout. And then we have a lifetime training program, which is $250. How cheap can this get any cheaper? Which is about 375,000 naira thereabout for a lifetime training. So you're with us for a lifetime. Makes sense. And please don't forget, we're still doing a 50% discount. We're still doing a 50% discount. A lot of people after Traders First, a lot of people reached out to us. They were like, okay, we are salary earners. This whole thing came at the middle of March. Please extend it for us so that when they pay us salary, we can pay. And we've extended it to end of March. Okay, so 31st of March, that is when the 50% discount is ending. So that means between now and 31st of March, you can still get in our trading at 50% discount. Now, I know the offer is actually just for salary earners, but of course, you guys can still take advantage of it. Okay, we are nice people at Tradewave, so you can still take advantage of that. Okay, what happens after 1 year? You can really renew your license, so it's renewable after 1 year. Can we make deposits? Yes, you can. What's the risk involved with the bot? Just the regular risk involved in forex trading. The fact that it can hit stop loss once in a while, so that's the risk. So it's not everyday profit. Okay, just like every other strategy out there, is a trend following robot that uses liquidity principles and pure price action. Okay, so of course, once in a while it can hit stop loss. Trading profitability is about 70% thereabout. So you hit stop loss, you hit take profit. By the end of every month, at least you are assured that there will be some profit. Okay, unless maybe the month is very bad, like terrible. In that case, we might sustain a little bit of loss. So It's just like a strategy, but at least you are sure that it's a profitable strategy that the robot uses. Okay. Please, sir, how much profit can I make using a robot with $200 account? I've already mentioned profit margin is between 2 to 5%. There's nothing set in stone. I've shared with you guys how trading works. This is how results in trading works. There's no month, you can't be sure. You can only be sure of a margin. You understand? You can only be sure of a margin. You can't be sure that okay, every month we must make 2% or 1%. Anybody that gives that kind of assurance is either lying to you or not being very sincere. You understand? And unless you guys want me to lie to you, I can't tell you that the robot will always make every month unfailingly it will make 2%. Some months might be good, some months might not. You understand? But at the end of every let's say every trading period, you're sure that you are making some profit, right? I need to open this back. Okay. So I've already shared with you how results in trading actually happen. So some months might be good, some months might be better, some months might not be that good. So this is what our results on what typical results in forex trading looks like. This month 2.2, 2.8, 3.0, 4.0, 2.8, 6.7. Then all of a sudden we did 6.59. Then from 6.59 the following month we had minus 0.24. Then this month we are up 0.27. Maybe before the month and we might do 1% or even 2% on this particular portfolio. So that's how forex works. You just know that consistently after a long period of time, after an extended period of time, you know that you will make profits. That's how forex trading actually works. You get. So please take note of that. Okay. So that said, I think I've done justice to explaining the trading robots and the MAM system. Okay. Can we fund up 500 month? Yes, of course. You can fund up to $500,000. You can fund up to $1 million if you want to. You understand? The reason why we put minimum entry is just for the sake of providing some form of proper risk management. You can use as little as $20, but it doesn't make any sense. Okay, please, $20. The robots might not make enough to cover for that your $20 investment. You get, so use something reasonable. So that's my typical advice, right? What else? Can we use the robots on 2 accounts? That is me and my trading team. No. So the robot is licensed. Each trading robot has a license key, and the license key can only work for that robot. Okay, so if you need multiple robots, you have to buy multiple accounts. Okay. So I think I've done justice to all the questions. So let's move over to the final. Now, on the description of this video, I explained how to join the MAM system and also how to join the copy trading system, which is what I will explain next. Okay, it is on the description of this video. For those of you that want to take action, without coming for the brochure, maybe you already know about copy trading, you already know about MAM system, you just want to take action, join ASAP. The link to join and the steps to join is on the description of this video. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let me quickly explain the final, which is copy trading. So copy trading is really an amazing system. Now, before I explain copy trading, please guys, give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up, guys. We are intentional about this community. We are 10,000 subscribers now. We need to push to 50,000 before the end of this year. Guys, we need to get to 50,000, and I need you guys to get to 50,000. So please give this video a thumbs up. It helps YouTube algorithm to keep ranking the videos and all of that. So please give this video a thumbs up. That's like the best you can do. You're not I've not begged you guys for money before. Okay. So please just give the video a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. So that's it. Let's go back. So copy trading is another system that you can actually use to build a lot of money, a lot of passive cash for yourself. So it's very simple. Copy trading works this way. This is a simple analogy of copy trading. We have one master account, okay, and then let's say this is FX Daddy. This is my humble self here. Okay, let's say I am trading my own personal account. Then I have 10 friends. 10 friends that have been seeing my trading result and like, guy, bro, you know how to trade, guy, you're good. Ah, but what are you doing? You are too good. And these are my 10 friends, 5 over here, and another 5 over here. Okay. So what happens is that once they decide to join my copy trading system, every single trade I take, let's say I enter a trade on buy Euro USD, every single trade I take is automatically replicated for every one of them. If I open a trade here, it opens on all of them. If I close the trade, it closes on all of them. If I adjust the stop loss, it adjusts the stop loss on every single one of them. And if I decide to uh, uh, adjust take profits, it adjusts take profit on all of them, but with corresponding lot size. So let's say my account is $10,000, and let's assume, for instance, that 5 of these my friends are rich kids. You understand? Rich kids. This guy has $50,000. This guy has $70,000. This guy has, $90,000. This guy has $500,000. Let's say the other 5 are, they are upcoming. They are not broke, but they are upcoming, because I don't have broke friends. Sorry, guys, that was in a light note. I didn't mean it that way. So let's say these guys over here have, let's say, $70. This guys have $50. Then this guy has, let's say, $80. This guy has 100. This guy has 200. Okay. So in the same proportion, if I'm risking 3% of my own personal account, it gets replicated 3% on each and every of the account, right? Does that make sense? You guys understand it? So that's how copy trading actually works. So the amazing thing about what we have is that we have a system that already works. We have a strategy that works, and we have a team of people who are making sure that our strategy keeps working in terms of market analysis, performing, constant, market watch. Okay, so we are now ready to get people to copy our system. Okay, so guys, this is an opportunity for you, you that have been looking for an opportunity to trade the forex market without much, without much dispensing, much energy. Okay, so this is an opportunity for you, right? Now, the minimum. Now, this is where I know you guys. Somebody is praying now. If you're feeling some tension now, let me see on the chat. Minimum copy trading, minimum entry. How many of you are praying now? Let me see. Let me look at the chart. How many of you are praying now? If you're praying, bro, let this thing do my $10. If you're praying, let this thing agree for my $10, please. Let this happen for my $20. I want to see you guys praying on the chat. Pray on the chat. Pray on the chat. Okay. Says, what if the account doesn't have money? It doesn't trade. If there is no money on your account, you are not a thief now, but you can't trade with money you don't have. So the robber won't do anything if there is no money on your account. Let me answer some questions while we are waiting for the prayer warriors on the chat. Can you make withdrawal on the bot weekly or daily? Yes, you can. You can withdraw as it's making profit. You can decide to be withdrawing. It's your money. It's not the only system where there might be you will need like 36. I think is it 36 hours? I think like 3 days. Yeah, 3 days to approve for your money to leave the system is the MAM system, because it's more like an investment system. That's why the minimum is $1,000. It's not for it's for everybody, but it's not for, I don't want to say broke people. I don't believe anybody's broke. I believe that everybody's, somebody can actually be, you're struggling, but you're not really broke. Okay. Money will come. All of us will make money. So I don't like using the word broke people, but then it's not really for people who are struggling. You get, so that's why the minimum is $1,000, because it's assumed that that this is an investment. So I'm putting out this money. I'm going to look, come check it again in the next 2 months, 3 months, 1 month, 1 year. So that is an investment plan. So it's not just for anybody can just bring anything. Okay, so that's the only system. Okay guys, they've taken light. I need to put on the inverter. 1 minute guys, I'll be back. Okay guys, we are back. We are back, up and running. Okay guys, so we are back up full, up and running. I think I already explained the withdrawal, how the withdrawal works. What's the difference between the robot that needs 1,000 and the one that needs $1,000? The difference is in the profit margin. The one that you need $1,000 to start requires makes more profit. In reality, makes more profits, and also to an extent, you need to have some basic knowledge about forex to actually. Oh, sorry about that. To actually maximize it. So you need some amount of some credible knowledge to actually use the robot, the one that requires 1,000. But this one that can start with $100, and it doesn't require any much. You can be anybody. You can, even if you know nothing, just plug a robot and then you're good to go. What? Okay, I've already. Can we pay instrumentally? No, there's no instrumental payment plan for the robots now, and there is none for the MAM system. Of course, there's no payments, to generally, get to enjoy part of your profit. That's all. So for the robot plan, there is no instrumental payment as of now, unless maybe if I have a meeting with with the team, we might decide to create. But for now, there's nothing like that. Okay. Okay. Tension. I can see you guys. Tension. Tension. Day ground. But don't worry, no worry, no worry. FX Daddy day for you. Fear not. Is there a different profit margin between MAM and the copy trading system? Typically, yes. The MAM makes more profit. Like MAM is a properly managed investment system. This is like our top service we offer as a company. You understand? So it has there's a lot of energy put inside of it. Okay, so it makes more profit than the copy trading system. Okay. Just coming in. Can I rewatch? Yes, you can rewatch. Go no guy. Let me put on the inverter. I'll never be poor in my life. In this Nigeria, bro, you need to have an alternative backup for power. If not, it will mess you up. They will tear gas you. $100 cannot work on the MAM system. No, it cannot work. It needs $1,000. All right, so let's go back. So let me ease the tension in the house. So the minimum entry for the copy trading system is no other but a whooping $50. Come on, you guys can clap now. I mean, is this can this get any better? Come on, guys, put your hands together. This is an amazing system. So you have a system that you can join with as little as $50. And the amazing thing about this also is that we only get before the initial idea when we started wanted to do a copy trading system is I wanted to charge to register to join some form of admin fees for you to join the copy trading system, but we decided to put that off at least for launch. You understand? So we're launching this for free. You can join the copy trading system for now for free. From now to the end of March, you can join our copy trading system absolutely free. You don't need to pay any administrative charges to join. You don't need to pay anything. Just follow the instructions on the description of this video. Okay, follow the instruction on the description of this video and then join our copy trading system. Profit margin is about 2% to 5% monthly. Now, how a profit margin is calculated is we calculate the profit That's from our past year's results. We calculate the profit for 1 year. Let's say in a year we're able to do, let's say, 60% profit in 1 year, or maybe 70%. Divide that by 12. That's how we get the profit margin. So divide that by 12, then get the, we use a mode median system to actually get what the profit margin actually would be. So 2 to 5%, that means in a month, anything between 2 to 5% is realistic, would be your profit. But that might also mean that there will be a month that you might actually hit, let's say, 7% profit or even 8%. And it's possible there is a month that you can even hit -2% or -3%. You understand? So I'm being sincere with you. I don't want to mix anything so that tomorrow you will not come and say I did not tell you. I'm telling you now, please. We're not here to beg you money. We're here to help you, right? So that's how the system works. So it's just so you know, 2 to 5% is the typical profit margin based on 1 year result divided by 12. Okay. So, but however, what is it? I believe in God, $20. Sorry, bro. Sorry, bro. This your prayer did not work. If maybe added some form of fasting would have worked, but it's like you did not fast to join this your prayer. So it did not work. So the minimum is $50, no $20. Okay. So that's how the profit margin works. So it's amazing, really an amazing system. So you can actually start copying our trade as soon as from Monday. Okay, as soon as from Monday, you can start copying our trades. Let's make money. Can one person have up to 10 profit accounts in the copy trading system? But why not? Why not? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Okay. Or this copy trading, no, you cannot. Sorry. In the copy trading system, no profit. If you're using a profit, I advise you use a robot, not copy trading, because for copy trading, it must be with our recommended broker. Okay, it must be with our recommended broker, because that's the only way we can get performance fees. We can't go and start looking for performance fees from your own broker that is not the broker we recommend for the system. We have multiple brokers we recommend for this system, but I've really put on the description how to join in one of them. So please use the one on the description and join. All right. So it's an amazing system. So if you're using it, if you want to put a prop firm, please go for the robot instead. Go for the price action robot instead, which is just $75, and then use it to trade your prop firm. Don't attach it to a copy trading system. Okay. All right. So that's it. That's it. So go to the description of this video and then find ways to actually make be a part of this. So I already mentioned on the description of this video, the first one is the steps to join the multi-asset management program. I already listed it out. There are 10 steps. Just follow them one by one by one by one by one before you know it. This is all. You can do this in one day, in one single day. If you have a $1,000 in one single day, you can finish this up and then your account gets running. Join to our system. It starts trading on Monday morning. Okay. Then for the second one, which is steps to join the copy trading system, I already mentioned also that you can actually finish all of this in one single day. In a space of 2 hours, you can be done, including verification. So it doesn't take much time. Plug in the minimum fund, $50, and then let's go. Let's go make some money. So we are very intentional about helping people come out of poverty. Sincerely, that is like the joy. Anytime I hear, especially people in the mentorship training programs, anytime I hear them share testimony like how their trading was like this, now it's like this, their results were like this, and now the results is like this, like you don't know how it gladdens my heart. Especially, I know it's not a good thing to be feel happy for, but then I like it when somebody, sir, I've quit my job. You understand? It's not a good thing to quit your job and decide to go trading full time, courtesy of the things I taught you. Man, you don't know how, I mean, the kind of joy it gives me. It makes me understand that, man, we're really helping people, we're really changing lives. So it means a lot to me. Okay, your testimony has been a lot to me, right? So I want to help as many people as possible to enjoy our system and actually benefit from our system. All right. Um, Somebody saying, honestly, to make money effects, you need funds for skilling. Tired of peanuts. Wanna eat the big chunk. Yeah, go did me that yesterday and still went my way. Forex will make you sometimes feel like they cost me, na cost they cost me, or I be waiting. Yeah, I understand that feeling. It used to be me many years ago. What's the minimum account for? And let me just advise this person. I don't know who you are, Ijuba Anthony. I think I know this name, is quite familiar. So to be sincere with you, forex trading is a see the only thing that will make you get discouraged in forex if you're a good trader is when you are myopic in thinking. When you are thinking in terms of my result for 1 week, I did not make money this week. You can't see you. I don't know how you people want to be. I don't know how long you guys think this game is. I don't know the kind of people you're following, but I follow investment banks. I follow asset management banks. I follow top hedge funds. You don't hear them talk, okay, we made profit today. They don't talk like that. They talk in terms of months, quarter, year. That's how they talk. Okay, we are down 3.5% in the first quarter, or that's like 3 months, that's 90 days. But the retail trader is thinking, okay, I did not make profit yesterday. Oh, that's too myopic in thinking. The outcome of 1 week of, in fact, 1 full week of the outcome of 1 full week of trading doesn't qualify you to be a good trader. That's in one, let's say 1 week, you did 5% in 1 week. Me, I don't count you a good trader until I see your result for 3 months, minimum 3 months at least. Let's see what you did in 3 months. That's the only way I can start. Okay, well, it's like it's good. Then if you do 6 months, okay, excellent, you're becoming better, you're a good trader. But not like you lost money yesterday and you're like, this trading something, they work. It's short-term thinking. Is African man mentality. Quack, get it quick, get rich quick mentality. That business is not like that. Okay, even the normal business you're doing, does it work like that? When you go to, let's say you're selling, let's say you're selling microphones. When, let's say, you've made 1 million naira and you go to the market, go to Lagos to buy more goods, buy more microphones, buy more brands of microphone, you are deficit. Let's say you put 1.5, you've made 1 million naira and put 1.5 million naira, you have it in goods, it's not in cash. You understand? We can classify it as a deficit, as at that point you've not made profit, you're still on loss as far as your papers, your balance sheet is concerned. You understand? So you only make profit when you now sell it. That's how business works. But the thing is that once people come into forex, they forget everything they've learned in economics, everything they learned in business administration. So they just feel like every day you don't make profit, it means that you have become a bad trader. How did we get here? How did we get here? Well, on a good day, we'll talk about this. Maybe next year, Traders Fest, we'll talk about this particular topic again. What's the minimum account for the copy trade? Now, I already mentioned that $50. I have excess account when it's open and that for the copy trading. No, you don't. But our copy trading system currently is not live on Exness. Okay, so please use the broker I recommended on the details of this video. Okay, can a robot trade live profit? Yes, it can. Must I be online for the robot to function? No. Can I use the robot for any profit account? Yes, you can. How do I join the copy trading group? The details is on the description of this video. Okay, just follow it step 1, step 2, step 3, step 3. When you're step 5, your account is ready to be start copying trades. You mean, I don't understand what you mean by you mean. Talent, what's the profit share on the copy trading? For now is 25%. I think so. 25%. Yeah, just 25%. Can you imagine? I get your point. Okay, good. So that said, guys, time to take action, guys. So follow the description, follow the instruction in the description of this video. Get started. For those of you that have $1,000, you don't have any business with doing robots, you don't have any business with doing copy trading, just join our MAM system. Okay, it makes the most money, it has the best risk management. Join the MAM system. Let's help you to make money, bro. Let's help you to make money. So if you have $1,000 upwards, join the MAM system. And then for those of you that have $100, get the robot. And for those of you that have $50, join the copy trading. Okay, so let me just do that again. $1,000 upwards, join the MAM system. Okay, $100 upwards, join the get the robot. Okay, and then from $50 down, or of course $50, more than $50 anyway, to join the copy trading system. Okay, does that make sense? It does, right? So that said, your advice, please, you have $500. Will I be profitable for me to put in this new bot or join with someone who can bring 500 to make it 1,000 for the main Tradewave bot? If one of you or two of you have significant knowledge, like basic knowledge about Forex, then of course that will make a lot of sense. The robot itself is $150. That's the one that needs $1,000 to start. So that's like 225,000 naira currently. So if you guys have, if because that one requires some, you can't just give it to a novice. It's not a novice robot. It's not an entire novice can use it per se. They can, but then it might require some adjustments here and there. Which, if you know how, it's very simple things. Everything is just detailed. We already have what to do in videos, right? In tutorials. So you just need to watch the video. Just anytime you see that happen in the market, do this, adjust this, do this, you're good to go. For the next 2 years, you're on autopilot and profit. Okay, separating the sheep from the the money was made. Can I join using C Trader as my broker? Join what exactly? Do you mean join the MAM system, or do you mean join copy trading, or do you mean join um buying the robots? What do you mean by can I join using C Trader? Let me know what you mean by that. Okay, so that said, please make sure you've liked this video. If you've not liked this video, abba, 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 did I offend you? Did I steal your money or something? So please, guys, love this video. If I don't like it, love it. Love it. And I think that's all for now. Unless you guys have any other question, I've already pinned the number to reach out to. Reach out to that number. Let's get going. Okay, let's get going. I don't think there's any other question. I think I've done justice to everything. I have $1,000. Okay, good. Join the MAM system. Join the MAM system. The link to join, the description of how to join is on the description of this video. So just follow step 1 to step 10. By step 10, you're already good. Your money is in the system and you're ready to start trading with us by Monday morning. Okay. If you have any question, reach out to the number I pinned. You guys can take a screenshot of this number right now, because we are ending this live in the next 10 seconds. Sir, please give us the grace to join the copy trading from now to the first week of April before anything changes. Noted. I've not promised anything, but noted. I've noted your request. So let's see how it goes. What about the drawdown of the bot? It's quite minimal. The robot uses a stop loss. It's not a martingale system. It uses proper stop loss, and the stop loss most of the time is no more than highest 50 pips. You understand? So it's, what 50 pips is based on the account size you're using. You understand? So it's not the drawdown is not, it's not that bad. It can't get that bad. You're doing well. You will surely be celebrated. Thank you. All right, guys. So I love you guys. Keep trading. I wish you all the best in the market. So don't forget, on Thursday, we are coming here again to trade live. Okay. And for my students here, for those of you in the Cash Club, see you guys by tomorrow night. Okay. I'll be sharing. Last week I didn't give you guys the weekly, Forex analysis because of Trader First. I mean, I had a lot to do. I still have a lot to do, but I'll give you guys the weekly analysis for next week by tomorrow, just for the Cash Club members. If you want to be getting my private weekly Forex analysis, weekly Forex forecast before you enter the week, at least it gives you heads up so that you just know what to expect in the market the coming, so nothing catches you by surprise. For those people that have been using my private weekly analysis, you guys know how it always, how it actually plays out in the market like magic. So join the weekly, join the Cash Club so that you can get access to the private weekly analysis, so you can know what is happening in the market before you enter the market, so nothing catches you by surprise. Okay, so that said, I think I've cleared everyone, cleared every doubt, cleared every question. So we are good to go. So I love you guys. Keep trading. I wish you all the best in the market. So see you guys on the other side. Chat the number right now or join the system right now with the instructions on the description of this video. So see you guys on the other side. Talk to you guys on the other side. Cheers. Goodbye, everyone.